Alright guys, so we're down here at Pro Wraps and Graphics. I'm here to get some stickers made up for the YouTube channel. Since I've started uploading more vlogs, I've always wanted to get some Human Car Sounds logos on my cars. So, you know, the time came that I was looking around to see who I should go with to get some stickers made up. Just asking on social media, a lot of guys recommended me to go through Jeremy, who owns Pro Wraps and Graphics. I've heard a lot about this company, you know, with World Time Attack and a lot of other motorsport involvement that they do, and their vinyls are absolutely amazing, and the graphic design is absolutely crazy. So I just want to get some simple, nothing too crazy stickers. And I was thinking, you know, since I'm doing a lot of driving, especially in Lexi, I think the best thing to do is get a Human Car Sounds banner on the back window and get one for the front for Project Lynn. The reason why I want to get one on the back for Lexi is I drive her every day, and, you know, stuck in traffic and that, I thought, you know, this would be the best way to get some exposure, to get this YouTube channel, you know, out there. And, you know, just driving on the highway and seeing people pass me, because I drive like a grandma, yes. And I think to myself, that's someone that could have seen that logo. And for Lynn, I decided that we should go with a banner on the front, because, yes, I will be taking Lynn to, you know, car shows, car meets, you know, cruises. And, you know, majority of the time when you're parked, the car's going to be parked like this. So what's the one thing that everyone's going to see mostly is the front of the car. Another way to get some exposure. So I'm pretty keen to see what it's going to look like.
See anything that jumps out to you, just let me know. I'm just going to pick a few that I reckon potentially could work.
They all look good.
This is actually all the same font, but with slightly different sort of, you can just see the previews of the lines and stuff. I can actually make it a bit bigger, just so you can see the previews.
I'm feeling like something that's a bit more, you know, basic, so people when they read it, they can actually read it exactly. Yeah, there's... Oh crap. Oh crap.
Want to narrow some down maybe?
First one.
You like that one?
Yeah, second one they can get rid of.
Or do you want just solid black background?
Can we try on the Car Sounds in a green, like a light green? Yeah.
Something like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm liking that.
That one there?
Yeah.
So with the Lexus, did you still want to go with the green as well?
I would go just the white
Plain
for
white.
the Lexus, yep. Just the plain white. I just wanted to get the green purely for the Supra.
Yep. So what we'll do is at that 100 point, you sort of want to put that pretty much right where your window actually curves, so that way if your window curves significantly, then you'll have a fair bit of bleed at the bottom just to fill in the gap, so that way it doesn't sort of like half cut. So as an example, I'll show you. So So for example, your window sort of curves like that.
Yep.
So from that point there will be the 100mm marker, right? So if you were to put your window banner on, you do that, and then you got all this empty space here,
which is
so
wasted. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's
so
what
you have a bit
is.
of leeway to
Yeah.
Because that's what happened with me yesterday when I was measuring the Supra. Was obviously because I can't have the
Follow
tape
the
measure.
window,
Yeah. So I'm like literally holding this side, and then I'm like bending it that way first, and then doing it that way, and I'm like, okay.
It's more of a guesstimation, so that way, because we don't want any exact one, because we'll add bleed on it anyway.
Yeah.
So we just want to sort of within 20-30 mil, because either way we're just going to add a fair bit.
Yeah.
On there
Yeah.
Anyway, so.
You know what this means, but since I have these stickers, I can't drive like an idiot. I can't swear at anyone. So the road raging must stop. This isn't your average little Officeworks printer that you print at home. This is fairly big. So we're just gonna do is it a test print, was it?
Yeah, we're gonna do a test print first.
And that's all the ink, is it?
Yeah.
So look who shows up, Chris from Tunes.
Oh no.
He's just got some stickers made up. What do you got coming up soon?
JDM Festival's coming up. It's our main event for January.
Yeah.
But we've got Monster Meat and the Festival of Japanese and Euro cars as well in December.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. I'll put a link down below and you can go check it out. And
Plan to keep us busy.
that turned out really well.
You know the real thing?
Yes. Me like you. Well, we're done for today. We've booked in for Monday to get the Lexus sticker, the banner put on, and we'll see how it looks. I'm really, really excited. I can't wait. I reckon it's going to look good. It's simple, but it's going to look good. So, we'll see you on Monday. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Oh, he's hiding from me. Alright, so almost 2 years ago, this is where Project Lynn got painted. That's where he is. Look at him now. So 2 years ago, Project Lynn was here when it was silver, and this is where it got painted. Here to pick up some car parts. Let's go see him. Freaking hiding from me all the time. Oh, now you decide that you want to freaking work, yeah? Alright, so these are the parts that I got Blake to paint, and that's all going for Lexi. Aftermarket grill, some eyelids, front lip, all from eBay, all budget spec. So I think it's going to look pretty good. That grill on that is just going to make the car look just a little bit more prettier. I know, guys, I know it's my daily, but I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. Alright, we got what we needed. I'm probably a little bit late, standard. Let's get this show on the road, huh? Well, there you have it, guys. I know some of you are probably thinking, wow, it's just a plain, plain setup, plain design, but that's what I wanted. Plain, but effective. And I think we've done that. So this just gave me a rough idea of what I want to do. So I'm guessing maybe along the lines, when we get the website going, we can get ones that are just like a see-through glass one for you guys, if you want it. Now I've just got more ideas of getting some other designs. I feel sorry for you. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Thanks, Jeremy, as well, letting me have the opportunity to come out here and have a look at, you know, how it's done. And I'll put down a link of their website. So if you guys are interested in getting something made up, whether it's just a small sticker, a full race car, your own business, your truck, whatever, make sure to see these guys because they've done an absolutely great job. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.